What if you could save hours every single day? Here are 7 free AI tools that can completely transform the way you work. First on the list is ChatGPT, your personal AI assistant. It can write emails in seconds, summarize long articles instantly, brainstorm ideas, business plans, and much more. Pro tip, use deep research when you need detailed, source-backed answers in minutes. Next up is NotebookLM, Google's AI research assistant. Simply upload any PDF, research paper, or document. Ask questions about your documents and get instant answers in seconds. Even better, NotebookLM can turn your documents into a podcast that you can listen to anytime.
You're just on autopilot.
Right. You will reach for the
Next is Canva AI, your all-in-one design assistant. Just describe what you need, and Canva AI creates professional designs in seconds. Already have content? Canva AI can instantly improve, rewrite, or simplify your writing with a single prompt. Remove backgrounds from any image with just one click. No Photoshop skills required. Need to remove unwanted objects? Canva AI does it in just a few clicks. Canva AI makes professional design faster and easier than ever. These free AI tools can help you work faster, save time, and boost your productivity every single day. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to AI Master Hub for more free AI tools, tips, and tutorials every week.